Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aysh. Please subscribe. Today's video is an interesting one. I would like to talk about the brand Sacet. They are a handcrafted jewellery company based in London, and they were kind enough to send me some jewellery, and I thought I would just unbox this on camera for you guys to see what I received, and I'll talk about the brand and all that good stuff. So if you want to see me unbox this lovely package, then keep on watching. Let's have a look. We've got www.sacet.com. Cute. And what's even cuter, it came with a little drawstring bag, and on the back it's got a little butterfly. So I believe that's like their kind of symbol slash logo. Here comes a little booklet here, and inside we've got a nice little package all about the brand and all about the people that created the jewellery. I think that's really nice. So on the side it says, "We hope you enjoy wearing your jewellery as much as our team enjoyed making it. Your jewellery is made from recycled materials in an ethically and conscious way. It's made keeping in mind the environment, the craftspeople, the designers, and obviously you. We'd love to tell you about the craft people who made it." So here I've got some cards, and it's got all of the people that helped make the jewellery, and I think that's so nice. So you've got the person that set the stones, the person that polished the jewellery, the person that filed the jewellery, and the person that plated the jewellery. And each person has a little description about themselves and what they do and a bit about their life, and I think it's really quite nice and personal for the brand to do. That's really nice, because you don't really get that. You don't really know like behind the scenes and how your jewellery is made, and it's just, you know, a really nice thing to see and get to know. And here I've got a lovely little card saying, "For your peace of mind," it says the product is covered with a 2-year warranty, and it also says ways to protect your warranty card, so you can activate your warranty as well. And then if I go into the box again, which is really nicely crafted, you've got the yellow and white. I can see that's their kind of theme. Opens up like this, and inside you have the jewellery in this lovely box. Really nice quality, I'd say, nicely crafted. You can see there's a good attention to detail. So these are called the Louija Ear Climbers. I chose the shade silver. They also do it in gold and in rose gold. I love silver personally, so I chose that. These are £49 to buy. Got 3 rings. So it looks like you have 3 piercings on your ear, except it just goes through one hole, and I thought that's super cute. And it's delivered in 2 to 3 working days. So it has everything about the design, the quality, and it being from ethically sourced materials. So it says all our products are crafted using 100% recycled silver. We use ethically polished diamonds and gemstones, and the packaging is made with eco-friendly materials. It's hand finished and custom made in an artisan workshop to reduce our carbon footprint. All our products are certified in accordance with the Hallmarking Act 1973. So you know where it's come from, you know they're not harming the environment with their production, and they are a really nice brand. Now I'm going to put them on to show you how they look. So as you can see, it really does give you the illusion that you have 3 piercings in your ear. Please excuse my red ear, because I just put them into my ear. If you are someone with only 1 ear piercing, then you could give the illusion that you have more, and it being comfortable. It really does look like you have 3 piercings in your ear. This is the other side. This is on my normal earlobe. This side is stretched, so I won't be able to put that. So luckily I do have a few piercing holes up my ear to fit that into. And also you can even add another 3 if you have another piercing, rather than having loads of individual piercings and having to get separate rings. So this is a really good idea. I really love these. This is my first time trying them on actually, and I really like them. They do necklaces as well. They do really lovely jewellery. I will link their website down below, and I will link the direct link to these earrings as well if you really like them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to share with you what I had received and unbox it and show you guys. I don't think I've ever done an unboxing video. So if you'd like to see more of those kind of videos, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!